and welcome to another episode of Xact Hacks brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about dragging and dropping files into ESX projects from the Control Center window. As you can see here, I have Xactimate 28 open, and this is important because this only works in Xactimate 28, at least parts of this exact hack. It's mostly known that you can take a photo file, for example a PNG or a JPEG, and bring it over to a project, drop it in, and say yes, and it'll say successful. It now added a photo. But you can also bring in PDFs and Word docs and attach them to an ESX file from here. So I'm going to take this PDF file I have here, bring it back over to my testmar20 project. Estimate files will be added to the project smart list. Yes, please. Successful. Okay. I'm now going to bring over a Word document that I want to attach. I'm going to bring that over here, say yes, and then it will successfully, takes a little bit longer, but says successful, we were able to attach. Now, I'm going to open this project here and bring it up from the other window so we can take a look at where these are. First off, we added a photo, and we'll come up here to the images section, and you'll see here, there is the photo that I added through the drag and drop. Additionally, we added a PDF and a Word doc. If I come up here to the top right to my print, and I go to the Documents tab here, and come over to Attach Docs, you'll see the two documents, one Word doc and one PDF that I brought over. These are the important files or file extensions that you can drag and drop in this process. You have other files that are unable to. For example, you cannot attach video files through this drag and drop method. And I tried an MP4 in preparation for this video, but it was unsuccessful and failed because it said file format not accepted. So, hope you can find some efficiency in dragging and dropping files into Xactimate in the Control Center without actually having to open each individual project in order to add those documents. Hope you've enjoyed this Xact hack. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.